It's that crazy woodpecker again. That's O'Houlihan's territory. Send O'Houlihan up here. Yes, sir? O'Houlihan, that woodpecker is drilling holes in our telephone poles again. Needless to say, he's costing us thousands of dollars. Now, either you get rid of him, or I'll get rid of you! Yes, sir. Leave it to O'Houlihan, sir. Sure, and I'm getting rid of you, woodpecker. Sorry, pal. One of us has to go.
Bon voyage!
O'Houlihan, you still here? I thought I told you to get rid of that woodpecker. Get out, you loafer! I'll get rid of that woodpecker myself. No one will recognize me in this disguise.
Good morning, Mr. President.
Good morning, Mr. President. Good morning, Mr. President. I fooled everybody. Oh, my aching head.
Papa. Oh, Papa, if I'd known you were coming, I'd have baked a cake. I haven't got a cake, but I got a pie. Let's go flying, Papa. Poor Papa. He's sure rusty.
I'll duck in here and grab him when he comes by. A phone call for you, Woodpecker.
Thanks. Hello? It's for you, Papa.
It is not. It's for you.
No, it's yours.
It's yours.
It's yours.
It's yours.
It's yours.
It's yours.
It's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine, and I'll answer it! Hello? The boss will give me a promotion for this. I got you, Woodpecker. Who are you?
Me? I'm the president.
If he's the president, who are you?
A woodpecker, you dope!
You know, people are nuts.
Good morning, Mr. President.
Good morning, Mr. President. Good morning, Mr. President.
But I'm all right.